I was having this chat with a close friend of mine this afternoon. He's in IT and IIT Delhi, and then I'm Bangalore, and very close friend of mine from those days. And he was saying that I had volunteered for the IIM Bangalore interview panel this year, and he had gone for the interviews at IIM Bangalore. And he was saying that we are not selecting the most studious guy, and we are not selecting the best profile. Once he was in front of us, IIM Bangalore has a profile check before you enter, before you get a call. The answer was we are not selecting the most fluent English. We're not selecting the smartest speaker. He was saying that we select a lot of people whom we found to be very genuine, not very good speakers, not very good communicators, but very genuine in terms of the kind of impact they want to make in life.
Exactly.
So the whole idea is that the interview by default is a process which tries to predict what you're going to do in the future. So if you can show enough evidence for that, you will get through. Don't worry.
Exactly. Another thing that he was talking about was that we are also selecting students who we seem are ready to make a difference in their lives and whom the campus is going to help achieve something. Those who are already achievers, they don't need the campus so much. So that was another very heartening thing that we heard today.